Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And today we're gonna open this unit, and it's dash1 Imperial Memorial 30 Years of Japan Cup. So it's basically the 30 years special edition unit. Okay, so this one, the item number is 95110. Okay, so we're gonna open it and see what's inside and anything special for this unit. Okay, so let's check the video. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body color is silver, and here is the sticker for this body. Okay, and here is the MS chassis, and it's ABS, and it's pretty special because the center is color black, but the front and the back is color red. Okay, this is ABS chassis, and the parts is color black. Okay, and the gear ratio is 4.1. okay, and it's extra large size 6-spoke color white ABS, and extra large super hard tires. Okay, so this is everything for this car. Alright, so let's see what's the score for this car. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so for this car, the chassis, I give them 0.5. It's ABS chassis, and the body is plastic body, so 0.5. The gear 4.1, 0.5. The wheel is extra large 6-spoke regular wheel, 0.5. And the tire is extra large super hard, so this one I give them 1. So the total score for this car is 3. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video and want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video, please. And if you have any question or any units that you want to see me to do the unboxing, please leave your comment and question at the bottom, and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.